When homeowners ask if PJ Mac HVAC service and repair is the best choice for residential air duct cleaning in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, we believe our experience, attention to detail, and commitment to customer comfort speak for themselves. As a full-service HVAC contractor, we combine professional air duct cleaning service with expert knowledge as an air conditioning contractor and heating contractor, ensuring your entire HVAC system is cleaned, inspected, and optimized, not just the ducts. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC service and repair. Does air duct cleaning improve indoor air quality? Yes, air duct cleaning can significantly improve indoor air quality, especially when dust, allergens, and debris have built up inside your HVAC system over time. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we see firsthand how professional residential air duct cleaning helps reduce airborne pollutants that circulate through your home's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. Can dirty air ducts affect my HVAC system's efficiency? Yes, dirty air ducts can absolutely affect your HVAC system's efficiency by restricting airflow and forcing your system to work harder than necessary. As a trusted HVAC contractor providing residential air duct cleaning, we use professional air duct cleaning service methods and advanced vacuum furnace equipment to restore proper airflow throughout your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC service and repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC service and repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.